This is it. This is the 5th and last episode on scaling. I'm Nick Sanders. This is Video Deconstructed. In this final tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a motion blur effect to your scaling. Check it out. We have a clip of a cyclist here, and we're going to do a quick scale up of the video over 5 frames, and I'm going to play the next clip, and they look very similar. You might not be able to see this very well on the internet, but I'm going to alternate through the 2 different ways of scaling up this clip. So this first clip, if I were to go through it frame by frame, you just see what appear to be photos, and everything is pretty clear. But on this next clip, already at the beginning, there's a bit of a blur on the image. And then as we go in one frame, another frame, another frame, the difference is if I were to select this first clip, all I did was scale the clip up and slide the position over. If you go to this next clip, I haven't done anything with the motion. I've added this transform effect. You can find that if you go to the effects panel and type in transform. It will be under the video effects, distort, transform. So I've essentially done the same thing. If I select this clip and I look at the effect in the effects control panel, the scaling is at 100 and I go forward 5 frames. Here we are at 150. And then I took the clip and slid it over on the x-axis over the period of 5 frames. But inside of this transform effect, you have a shutter angle setting. If you turn off this checkbox for shutter angle, let me open this up a little bit. Use composition's shutter angle. If you turn that checkbox off, you can set different shutter angles here. If I go in the midpoint of our scaling, you'll see as I change this, I'll go down to 50, we have less blur, go down to 0, none, 150. So the higher the number you go, you can add more blur, and I had mine at 300. So that's another way to take your scaling and your zooming and add a little bit more of a fake camera effect to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 episodes on scaling. What did I miss? I know I left something out about scaling. Let me know in the comments. I'm Nick Sanders. This is Video Deconstructed. Subscribe, like, just click. It's all about the clicking here at YouTube.